The state of Illinois is facing a string of lawsuits that could cost them millions, all from families of veterans who died in a coronavirus outbreak at LaSalle Veterans Home in 2020. CBS 2's Tim McNicholas joins us live from the Thompson Center to walk us through these lawsuits. Tim.
Marie, the families of these veterans are suing the state of Illinois, the Illinois Department of Veterans Affairs, and the state-run nursing home in LaSalle. Here is a copy of one of those lawsuits. It argues these deaths were preventable. A total of 36 veterans died in that COVID outbreak in the fall of 2020. The families of 26 of them are represented in these lawsuits by the Chicago-based firm Levin and Perconti, who held a news conference today. They accused the nursing home of negligence and improper hand sanitizer, improper use of PPE, and improper observance of social distancing protocols. The lawsuits rely heavily on a scathing report from the state's own inspector general, which called the veterans' home's response to the outbreak inefficient, reactive, and chaotic.
It was not his time to go.
Many unnecessary lives were lost, and ours was just one of them.
A loving, gentle, caring family man who didn't deserve to die the way that he did.
The lawsuit also accuses nurses and nursing assistants of going to an off-site party on Halloween. It says 2 residents and 2 employees tested positive the very next day, although the lawsuits don't say whether those employees were the same ones who were at the party. As for the governor's office, the state of Illinois, they sent us a statement today saying that these deaths weigh heavily on the governor's heart. The statement also points out that the governor appointed a new VA director. Live at the Thompson Center, Tim McNicholas, CBS 2 News.
Tim, thank you.